because I am not saying Mason Francis. See, you can't even get it out.
Oh yeah, holla if you hear me. Yeah. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we're snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the police can't blame me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9, get up.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here or if you have not done it already, please make sure you click on that subscribe button down below. Happy Monday. I'm in a great mood today, especially because it's National Fragrance Day. So if you are a fragrance lover like me, please stay tuned to this video. I will be sharing with you guys a few of my springtimes, kind of a little bit more on the floral side favorites. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you guys already know I will be reading the notes from my phone, and per usual, everything will be linked in the description box if you feel like purchasing a few of these for yourself as well. So first up, we have the Hermes de Twilly, or Twilly de Hermes. It's more of a spicy floral. The top note is ginger, which I smell immediately. And the middle note, which is tuberose, kind of gives it a feminine like touch to it. So it's not like super gingery, because the base note is sandalwood. And sometimes sandalwood tends to be a little bit more of a masculine scent. So this is what the bottle looks like. It comes with like this little mini Twilly on here. I don't know, can you untie that? No, I mean it's stitched, but you probably can untie it, like if you wanted to like use it for whatever reason. This is the 1 ounce bottle, and this one has been in my collection for almost 2 years actually. This is a great go-to. Again, I switch out my fragrances based on the season, and this is definitely a great spring go-to. Next up, we have the Mademoiselle by Coco Chanel. Y'all already know I talked about this one, I think, in my solo date brunch vlog, because that's when I purchased it. This one is more of a warm floral, so if you're looking for something like that, this may be up your alley. It has notes of amber, tonka bean, which y'all already know that I love, and vanilla as well. This is the 3.4 ounce bottle, so a little bit bigger. I am kind of shying away from buying like bigger bottles, simply because I have so many fragrances and I just can't use them as often as I would like to. So I'm trying to like downsize my fragrance collection in terms of like what size bottles I buy. Next up, we have My Way by Giorgio Armani. This one is more of a citrus floral. The top notes are bergamot and orange blossom. Middle, which is tuberose and jasmine, and base, y'all can tell by now, like I love a good vanilla base. White musk and cedar wood. Then this is what the bottle looks like. This is the larger size. I think I had this one for like a little bit over a year or two as well. Again, great springtime fragrance, great citrus floral if you're looking for something like that. Next up, we have MFK, because I am not saying Mason Francis. See, you can't even get it out. Next up, we have the MFK Gentle Fluidity, and I have the, I believe this is the 1.2 ounce bottle, and this one is more like of a fresh floral. It does have notes of juniper berries, nutmeg, coriander, musk, amber woods, and of course vanilla. So this is a great like vanilla-y type scent. This is also a great date night scent too as well, because I just feel like it smells sexy, and it just gives you a little boost of confidence when you wear it. So great go-to if you're looking for something like that. Next up, we have Miss Tiffany, and I just have the basic Eau de Parfum, and this one is more of like a citrus floral as well. The top note is a mandarin, middle blue iris, and the base is a musk cocktail. I love the packaging for the Tiffany fragrance. It just looks so aesthetically pleasing. Like if you want to put it on your dresser or your countertop, like this is definitely a great one. Also, when you open it, like, isn't that awesome, y'all? This is the 1 ounce. I actually got this one as a Christmas gift about a year ago. I was dying to have it. My only drawback with Tiffany fragrances are that they do not wear long. Like, I wish that this would last all day because then I would reach for it a little bit more, but this is definitely a great like springtime scent. Next up we have the Louis Vuitton fragrances. The first one is the Cceur Battant. This one has notes of pear, jasmine, patchouli, which adds a little bit of depth, so it's not as juvenile because it is a very sweet and floral scent. The patchouli kind of helps like dry that down a little bit. This is what this one looks like. This is the 3.4 ounces. They only have two sizes, 3.4 and then, or 100 ml and then 200 ml. So I got the 100 ml in the Cceur Battant. And lastly, I don't know where my packaging like this is for my Cceur Battant. I think I may have lost it while I was moving. But this is the RSA Opsans. And I actually got this one engraved. I don't know why I didn't get that one engraved, but I have this one engraved with my initials. I'll show you guys. And the notes are jasmine, rose, and sandalwood, as well as musk, which was very interesting to me because I did not smell that at first, but they mentioned that the musk helps prolong the scent of the flowers, so that way it's not just like a quick one and done fragrance. You know, like sometimes you put like floral scents on and it's just like, oh, like it smells for the moment, similar to the Tiffany, and then it just kind of fades away. The musk helps the RSA Opsans last a little bit longer. All right, you guys, before we wrap up, go ahead and drop in the comments below some of your favorite springtime favorite fragrances, or just some of your favorite fragrances in general. I know there are quite a few that are just like, you know, all year round, or that, you know, you just don't care. Like, shoot, I'm gonna wear this, whether it's spring, fall, whatever. So go ahead and share in the comments. I'd love to know what you guys are wearing, or if you guys like any of the ones that I shared here today, go ahead and drop those down in the comments below. Per usual, again, everything will be left down in the description box below. You guys, thank you so much for your continued support. I can't wait to see you all in the next one.